Problem 4 is sketch the Bode plot for the system having the transfer function g of s equal to 4 divided by 0.1 s plus 1 whole square into 0.01 s plus 1. Here we need to find out the same parameters, that is gain margin, phase margin, gain crossover frequency, phase crossover frequency. Now we need to find out the data required for the magnitude plot. So for magnitude plot, first check whether the given transfer function is in the standard form or not. So here 1 plus st form, it is in the time constant form, it is also in the time constant form, this is 1 plus st. Okay, now substitute s equal to j omega for frequency response. So g of j omega will become 4 divided by this expression. Next we need to make 3 columns with the factors corner frequency and magnitude and slope. So how many factors this transfer function can be divided into, how many factors that we need to analyze here, because in this transfer function there is no zero or pole at the origin, only the time constant is there, that is k, and the denominator 2 functions. So in case of this, there are no poles and zeros at the origin. We need to consider only the constant as a one factor and these two as another factors. Only 3 factors are there. So this is a different case. So for the first factor, consider only the constant 4. There is no corner frequency, so no need to write it. And also here the magnitude of this can be calculated as, so magnitude of any constant will become 20 log 4. So there is no omega, so no need to assume this value. So if any roots present at the origin, it may be 0 or pole, then we should consider omega value. Here there is no omega value, so no need to find that. So 20 log 4 directly will be getting it as 12 dB. 20 log 4 gives 12 dB. And the slope for this, how to find out the slope for this? If s is present in the, if j omega is present in the numerator, then it would be plus 20 dB per decade. If it is 1 divided by j omega, then it would be minus 20 dB per decade. Here there is no j omega, there is no root at the origin, so there will be no slope for the constant value. So we will consider the slope as 0 dB per decade till the next frequency, that is 10 radian per second. So you can start from any value. From that value to 10 radian per second, there will be no slope, that is 0 dB per decade, that is a horizontal line. So horizontal line indicates the 0 dB per decade slope. So till the next corner frequency, that is omega 1. And the next factor is 1 divided by 0.1 j omega plus 1 whole square. So it is square, the order is 2. So it is double the initial slope. So initially 1 divided by 1 plus st slope will be minus 20 dB per decade. Here it is square, so it is minus 40 dB per decade. And t value is 0.1, so it will become reciprocal of 0.1 is 10 radian per second. This is the corner frequency. So now to find out the net slope. So current slope is minus 40 dB because the order is 2. Current slope is minus 40 dB and previous slope is 0 dB. So minus 40 minus 0 is minus 40 dB itself. So this minus 40 dB per decade is from 10 to 100 radian per second frequency. So third factor, the time is 0.01, the frequency will be 100, reciprocal of that. So next slope will be, here this is in the form of 1 plus st. So the slope is minus 20 dB per decade, minus 20 dB per decade plus the previous slope is minus 40 dB per decade. It gives minus 60 dB per decade. This is the data required to plot magnitude plot. Next, let us go for the phase angle plot. So here we need to find out the expression for phase angle first. So this is the transfer function required or given in this problem. So phase expression will be, so in the numerator there are no functions, so let us go to the denominator starting with a negative sign. So 2 times of tan inverse of 0.1 omega is imaginary term divided by 1. So 2 times tan inverse of 0.1 omega minus, here 0.01 omega is the imaginary term, 1 is the real term, tan inverse of 0.01 omega divided by 1. So this gives the complete expression for phase angle. Now we need to Find out the values of phase angle, that is phi, for different values of omega. So this is the table for different values of omega. You can consider any values with a range. Take that magnitude plot. In the magnitude plot, they will be getting the range for omega. You can take plus or minus 10 or 100 in order to find out the phase angle. So for different values of omega, we had calculated phi, that is angles, by using this expression. Substitute for the first case, you can substitute minus 2 tan inverse of 0.1 into 10, tan inverse of 0.01 into 10. For that, we will be getting the phase angle as minus 95.7 degree. Similarly, in place of omega, replace 20, 30, 50 and find out the corresponding angles. So this is the semi-log sheet. The same axis I am considering, same scale I am considering. So 10 divisions will be equal to 20 dB. The same scale. And here also I am considering the same scale starting from 0.12 till infinity. So which is the let us see the table of magnitude plot. Initial magnitude is 12 dB. So we can mark 12 dB here. It is 10 dB, then it will be 12 dB. So 12 dB initial magnitude, and the slope must be 0 dB per decade till what? 10 radian per second. So this slope is starting from, you can consider it as 0.1 radian per second or 1 radian per second. Now here no need to substitute this omega value in while calculating the magnitude because only constant is there, but you can use this as an initial frequency. So in order to start it. So initial magnitude is 12 dB. Initial frequency you can consider it as 0.1 radian per second or 1 radian per second because no zeros and poles are present here. So starting from 0.1 radian per second to 10 radian per second, the slope is 0 dB. So it is a horizontal line. So anywhere if you draw a horizontal line, it will be considering as 0 dB per decade line. So this is a 0 dB per decade line starting from 0.1 radian per second to 10 radian per second. This is the frequency range where the slope is 0 dB per decade. After this, from starting from 10 radian per second till 100 radian per second. So what is the slope? Minus 40 dB per decade. So minus 40 dB per decade for this scale. Angle is 45 degree from the real axis. So this would be the horizontal axis, that is the real axis. So in a clockwise direction, we need to measure the angle of 45 degree for 40 dB per decade slope. So measure 45 degree from this horizontal line and draw a line till it reaches, so starting from 100 radian per second. So this is the starting point and this is the ending point for this corresponding slope. So starting from 10 radian per second till 100 radian per second with a 45 degree angle, draw a line that is called as minus 40 dB per decade slope. After that, it ends at 100 radian per second. So till infinity, the slope will be minus 60 dB per decade. So for minus 60 dB per decade, the angle is 56 degree. So take a reference as horizontal line. Starting from that line, measure 56 degree and draw a line till infinity. You can draw it till anywhere because it ends at infinity. So this is the minus 60 dB per decade slope. So this completes magnitude plot. Next let us go to the phase plot. So for phase plot, I am using the same scale. Minus 180 degrees is the reference line, and with a difference of 40 degrees I am using these values as a scale. Now let us see the phase angle plot table for different values of omega and phi. So here they are starting from the value of 10. For 10, this is the 10 radian per second. This is the line indicates 10 radian per second frequency. The corresponding angle will be 95.7. So somewhere here, this is 100, 95 will come somewhere here. So minus 180 degree line is a reference line. So this is 95. So nearer to that, 60 to 100. So here we'll be getting 95 degree. So similarly for all the values of omega, mark all the phase angles So this is for 20, 30, 50, 80, 100, 200. So you have marked all the phase angle points with the corresponding frequencies. Now join all the points. So how to find out, now the magnitude plot as well as phase angle plot is completed. Now we need to find out phase gain crossover frequency, phase crossover frequency, gain margin, phase margin and all. So how to find out those values? First we need to check where the magnitude plot is crossing the 0 dB line, that is the reference line for magnitude plot. Elli cross ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. Here somewhere here it is crossing the 0 dB line, that is the reference line, that is 20 radian per second. So it is nearer to 2, so we can consider it as 2. If it is 10, so the divisions of these decade will become 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 100. So because it is a one decade, that is multiplication of 10. So from here to here there is a multiply of 10. So if this is 10, it will become 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here it is 11, 12, 30, 14, 15 like that. So this frequency indicates 20 radian per second. In the same way, the phase crossover frequency can be obtained from this phase angle plot is crossing the reference line, that is minus 180 degree line. Here it is 40, 45 or 44. Yes, the corresponding frequency gives the phase crossover frequency, that is 44 radian per second. Next we need to find out gain margin as well as phase margin. Now starting from omega GC, draw a line downward till it reaches the phase angle plot, and starting from the difference between the angle difference between this point and the reference line gives the phase margin. So that is approximately 42 degree. And similarly, now to find out the gain margin, this is the phase crossover frequency. So where the phase plot is crossing the reference line of phase plot. So starting from here, draw a upward line till it reaches the magnitude plot. So here it is meeting the magnitude plot starting from this point to the reference line. So find out the difference in terms of dBs, that gives the gain margin. So 5 divisions gives 10 dB, it is 14.5 dB or 15 dB, you can consider it as. So this completes the problem.